This video is on constructions and congruent angles created by the Skyline High School Math Department. This construction is congruent angles. We are going to make an angle congruent to angle A in this space off to the right. The directions are below. I'm going to be labeling and following along as we go. So to begin, we must start by drawing a ray, remembering that a ray has an endpoint on one end and an arrow on the other. This time the endpoint, I am going to label that endpoint S. Now we're going to put the compass point on A. That means place these crosshairs as accurately as possible on A, using my finger to hold it firmly. I'm going to loosen my compass, and I want to make an arc that intersects both sides of A. To do that, I have to think of where the sides of A end, and I need to bring in my compass setting small enough that I will be able to do that. Then I'm going to lock it in place my pen inside that hole, and draw a nice smooth arc. I want the arc to intersect the angle in two locations. Do not unlock your compass. Now move your crosshairs down to point S, and I am going to make that same size arc down in this picture so that I am copying everything I do at the top over here on the right. Don't hesitate to make the arc bigger than you might think you need it. The longer exaggerated, the better. So now those two original points that I made on angle A, I'm going to label those B and C. And I am going to label this one intersection point down here, point R. Now, I want to find the length of BC. Just like I did with congruent segments, I'm going to place my crosshairs on either B or C. I'm going to place the crosshairs on C, hold it firmly with my finger, loosen my compass, and then I need to slide that compass so that I can get B inside the place where my pen will go. And then I'm going to tighten it into place. Once I tighten it into place, I can now release my finger, move the crosshairs down to point R, hold it firmly on point R, place my pen in the location that I found for B, make an arc. Where those two cross, I am going to label that point T. And if I draw in ray ST, that should complete my angle, and angle BAC should be the same length as angle TSR, or in other words, angle A and angle S should have the same measurement. You should now try the construction yourself.